Hi everyone, here we will solve the GATE Life Science 2025 question paper from the microbiology sections conducted by IIT Roorkee. Now let's see the questions. Now this is the question number 67 from the microbiology section. India is aiming to be free of tuberculosis by 2025. One of the key approaches for this program is the DOTS, and which of the following option is the full form of DOTS? Now, if we see the DOTS, DOTS is a who recommended TB control strategy, and primarily it is TB controlling strategy, and primarily it focuses on the three approaches. One is the giving the TB medicines. Secondly, it is focused on the watching the patients closely to take the medicines, and number three, it is using a short course drug treatment. And so, if we see the correct options for this full form of DOTS, it is the direct observed therapy short course, where direct observed it is stands for help workers closely watches the patients to take the medicines. Therapy it stands or denotes the TB treatment, and the short course it is stands for the standard 6 to 8 month treatment. So correct answer for the question number 67 it is option A. Now coming to the next question, it is the question number 68. It is a matching type question. So group 1 represents the type of bacteria, and group 2 represents the environmental niche. So all we have to do is correctly match. If we see the psychrophiles are cold living bacteria or microorganisms. So they are the cold living cold living microorganisms that live in freeze to cold temperature, and generally below 15 degrees centigrade. Uh, Now, if we see the barophiles, barophiles are the microorganisms that loves to present or grow in the high pressure environment. So they lives in the high pressure environments, and primarily they are found to be present in the deep sea locations. If we see the mesophiles, mesophiles loves to grow under moderate temperature, that is ranging from 15 degree centigrade to 45 degree centigrade, and the optimum temperature for the growth is generally the human body temperature, that is 37 degree centigrade. And if we see the halophiles, halophiles are salt loving microorganism group. So they are found to be present in the high salt or extremely salt or saline environment, and they actually ranges like salt lakes or marshes. They generally grow and requiring a high salt concentration or NaCl for their growth, and generally it is ranges from 1 to 3 percentage of NaCl to 15 to 20 percentage of NaCl, and generally here it is so if we see the options, we see the psychrophiles they loves to present uh, below 15 degrees centigrade. So here you can see the P matches with option 3. Barophiles, as we say, high pressure environments. So Q matches with option 1. If we see mesophils, the temperature between 15 degree to 45 degree. So R matches with 2. And halophiles, the salt concentration greater than 2 molar. So S matches with 5, and it is approximately 2 molar. Approximately it is 11% of NaCl. So they are the salt living groups. So correct options. So if we see this sequence, it is found in P3, Q1, R2, S5. So option 1. So this is found to be the correct for the question number 68. So thanks for